4. Okay, type 4 ng non-terminating or repeating decimals. So, ayan. So, meron pala na kapag pwede yung round down at saka yung round up. Pwede mo pala siyang gamitin. Na ang denominator mo is yung 9,900 or yung 990. Kasi depende yon kung ilang places mo minove yung decimal place to the right. So, yun pala siya, no? Yun yung technique. Well, maganda yun yung sinasabi ko dahil yung mga calculators and even computers sometimes deals with non-terminating non-terminating decimals or repeated decimals. Kaya kasama dapat yun sa knowledge natin. It should be part of our fundamentals as programmers. Kasi lalo na pag gagawa tayo ng business applications, yung mga ganyan is very critical. Pag gagawa tayo ng mga finance o yung programs with regards to money and about yung certain applications, nabanggit ko lang yung money, it's very specific. Yung point something is napaka-importante. And sometimes those are non-terminating or repeated decimals. So, yun lang po.